conversation. This gentleman, this black man, Horace Lorenzo Anderson, spoke to the media. And he said, no, the mayor of Seattle has not called me. She could go see him. He is probably not 15 minutes from her. She could go see him. She could go anytime. And this honesty that he expresses here is our hope together. To welcome black people into a movement that legitimately wants you to have the same access to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness as all of us. Yes, we have flawed people in our movement, and the Democrats do too, but we're not trying to trap you in their Marxism. We're not lying to you. Well, I'm not. The president didn't. He called this man. Listen to this. Mr. Anderson said, I still ain't heard from the mayor. Incredibly, he said, Donald Trump called me. The president of the United States called me today and talked to me today. Matt Lorch of KCPQ-TV and spoke in Seattle said, what did he say? He gave his condolences. And me, I'm not a political guy, so I'm not. But I told him, you know, I don't know anybody. I don't know nobody like you. I'm real. I said, nobody likes you, but in this camera, I'll tell you right now, Donald Trump called me, and he didn't have to call me. He didn't have to do nothing. This gentleman's words spoken into the camera are so meaningful to me. We're calling you. We're calling you. I want to thank you for carrying an incredible burden across the finish line, because when you fought shoulder to shoulder with some white people to abolish slavery, you took mankind forward. When you secured your God-given right to vote in our republic, you carried the ball forward for humanity, and activists are telling you, leftists are telling you, you've done nothing. I'm telling you, you've done everything. Come with us. This is what we want for you. Life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness and brotherhood. I hope that you'll accept the offer to listen. It's Todd Herman in for Rush Limbaugh on the EIB Network.
When you read the Limbaugh letter, you're prepped to combat liberal madness, because El Rushbo supplies you with an arsenal of facts. Subscribe to the print edition of the Limbaugh letter and you'll get free Rush's Dad's